Hello everyone, I am Rohit Mishra from Code. In today's video, we will learn about some concepts of Python. So let's start with agenda for today's class. We will start with what is Python, features of Python, about Python, learning paths in Python, and last but not the least, curriculum. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is what is Python. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. It means Python programs are written in simple English language so that anyone can understand it. It was created by Guido van Rossum. He created this language so that anyone can understand and learn how to make programs. It is dynamic and easy to use. Now we move on to our next topic, that is features of Python. So first feature of Python is open source, which means we don't have to pay any money while working in Python. We can use Python as object oriented programming language. Now coming on to the most important reason why people choose Python is that it is easy to learn due to the simple structure and readability of it. It is as simple as writing a program in simple English language. Everybody can understand Python. Even children going to school can learn Python. It is that easy. Python is dynamically typed. It means we do not have to declare variable types. We will see it in brief in our upcoming videos. Now move on to next feature, that is portability. It means we can run Python programs on other platforms also, such as Linux, Unix, Mac and Windows, and we need not to change single line of code in that. So here we comes to the last feature, that is use libraries. Python has libraries or set of modules which helps us to program easily and simply. Hope you all understand the features of Python. So here we comes to our next topic, which is about Python. So the first thing is Python is very simple and it has straightforward syntax, which means in Python program structure is very easy to understand. It can be your first programming language because to learn Python you only need to have knowledge about English language. Yes, Python is case sensitive. It means if a word written in small alphabet and a word written in capital alphabet are not same. Python has different types of version, but generally we use Python 3 versions. So in this tutorial we will cover up with Python 3. Let's move on to our next topic, that is where is Python used. It is being used by Google for improving search results. Next, Dropbox also uses Python. NASA also uses Python for scientific calculations. Next, Netflix also uses Python to provide content based on user interest. Now let us tell you about learning paths in Python. There are many paths, but these two are very common. So first is Python for artificial intelligence and another is data science with Python. So Python is used to train robots. These both are very vast field. To go with any of these you have to cover up all the Python basics, which I will teach you in this tutorial series. Now we move on to our last topic, that is curriculum. In this you will see the topics of upcoming videos. So first one is introduction to Python and installation. Second one is Python indentation, comments, identifiers and keywords. Third one is variables and operators. Fourth is Python data types and type conversion. Fifth is string data structure. Sixth one is string functions. Seventh is list data structure. Eighth one is tuple data structure. Ninth one is dictionary data structure. 10th is if else statement. 11th is for loop. 12th is while and do while loop. 13th is functions and argument part 1. 14th is functions and arguments part 2. I hope this all excites you enough to learn Python. So from next video onwards we will learn and practice more about Python. Thank you.